Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Peggy Skincare. If you're here for the first time, please why don't you click the red subscription button below, thumbs up, turn on your post notification bell, that whenever I post any new video you'll be the first to watch. It's been super long. I came here to post, so I thank you. I really appreciate each and every one of you. For my returning subscribers, you're welcome. Thank you so much. If you're stopping by for the first time, why don't you click the red subscription button below, subscribe to my channel, please. Enjoy, it is free of charge. So today let's talk, okay? I want me to make this video so quickly. Let's talk on skincare, okay? The first thing, I had to write down things to talk about here. So one of the thing I'll be talking about is choosing your cleanser. It is very important that you need to select the cleanser that is suitable for your skin. You know, we all have different skin types, okay? If you do not select the right cleanser for your skin, it's going to leave you all dried up. Like, you need to choose what's best for your skin. That is choosing the cleanser best suitable for your skin type, okay? So the next thing I'm trying to bring out each of the things we'll be talking about. The next thing I'll be talking about is treatment for your skin concerns. Treatment for your skin conditions, okay? Yeah, this is simple. You need to select what is suitable for your skin. If you're having skin issues, if you're having skin conditions, hyperpigmentations, acne, so on, black spots, black eye circles, whatsoever that you're suffering, okay, you need to specifically look into that. The reason why I'm saying this is because, you know, I'm into this is my business, and I have so many customers having a lot of skin issues. What do? Instead of looking for solution on how to treat these skin issues, okay, they're having stretch marks, pigmentation, a lot of skin concerns. Instead of them looking for solution, they still want to whiten up. Do you understand what I mean? It is not advisable. If you're having all these skin issues, it is advisable for you to look for solutions, okay? You can get a repair set, a repair product. Like, I have so many reviews on my repair products, okay? I have repair products from the face to the body, full body repair products. You have to look into this, like getting treatment for it. It is very, very important, okay? Very, very important. You need to know what conditions that you have and how to treat it, okay? You can treat with some good products. Is it something that you can use retinol to treat, or BHAS or AHAS or niacinamide, azelaic acid, and some great, you know, products that you can, you know, use in treating the skin issues, okay? When those things I mentioned can be used as your lotion, as your toner, as your cleanser, as whatsoever it is that you think you can work with. It is very important looking into your skin concerns, okay? So the next thing I'll be talking about is moisturizer. Finding your moisturizer. It is important that we all moisturize our skin, okay? Very, very important. Everything is not about whitening. You actually have to look into moisturizers as well for your face, for your body. It is very, very important. Do you understand me? Moisturizing is important, as it's going to improve your skin barriers and hydrate your skin. You know, it's going to help hydrate your skin very well. I use moisturizer during the daytime. I moisturize my skin during the daytime because I'm a hustler. You can see me. This is early in the morning, okay? This is early in the morning. I'm setting out for hustle, you know, my daily hustle. So what I did was, I did not use whitening products. I used a moisturizer to moisturize my skin. That way, I will not have suntan, sunburn, redness, because I have a sensitive face. I have an oily face. I always break down, so I select carefully what I use. So now there's something I want to introduce to you guys. Please hold on. Okay, so this is simple. Okay, I'm going to bring to you guys my product in which you can use to treat your skin issues. If you're having pimples, if you're having acne, it's just 3 products, okay, that I have in here. Okay, so here is my cleanser. This is my facial cleanser. This cleanser is the bomb. Like, it treats every pigmentations you're having on your face, like pimples. It also lightens, let me not use lightens, it whitens the face as well. Very, very effective for those that have been using this cleanser. For those that have been using this cleanser, please go down in the comment section and drop your comments on this cleanser, okay? Whitening facial cleanser. Please drop your comment if you've been using my cleanser. Let's know how it feels. Let's know how you felt about it. Okay, this is one of the best cleanser that can be used if you're having breakdown on your face. Use it every night. Okay, so here is my glossy half cast face cream. Most of you, a whole lot of you, are familiar with this face cream. Like, it is one of my best seller face cream. It is 4-in-1 face cream. It treats the face, it smoothens the face, it glows the face, take off all pigmentations on your face, pimples, acne, black eye circles, dark spots. This works so well. It glows the face, like your face feels like, looks like mirror. Please also, if you use my glossy half cast face cream, feel free to go down in the comment section. Let's know how it felt on your skin when you were using this. Okay, so here I have my spot remover face cream. Very, very good. So this set, I sell it for people with pimples. If you're having pimples, I have my facial repair set. That is different. Okay, it comes in a set of products of 6 thereabout. Okay, this is not complete because I left the soap in my shower. Okay, it has the soap as well. Okay, this is very handy, very affordable, very good on your face. You have a lot of good reviews while using it. For those that have used my pimples set, please drop your comments in the description box below. For those that have used my facial repair set, drop your comment as well in the description box below. So I intended to make this video very brief, but at the same time it's getting very lengthy. So guys, I want you to always share my videos. It is free. Take a look at your skin. Let it be your concern. What can you do for your skin? It is very important for women to look after their skin. Super, super important. You cannot not just look down on your skin. Like, you have to really do something about it. That is, as my slogan is, your skin, your pride. So guys, I have to leave you guys here while I hustle up. Okay, take care of yourself. Do have a lovely day, my friends. I'll see you some other time. Please purchase these products. I sell all my skincare products at affordable prices. Like, they get set very low price and all that. So take care of yourself, guys. I have to run along.